Hey guys, I'm back with another video for you. Today I'm going to show you how I toned my hair and how I went from this nasty little blonde color to a nice dark ashy color. And I did a previous video on how to tone my hair with purple shampoo, and I did want to keep my blondes, but now I'm just kind of over them, so I'm going to go ahead and tone them to a dark ashy tone. And if you want to see how I did that, go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm starting off by brushing out my tangles and just making sure that my hair is nice and smooth to work with. And then all of the supplies that I used will be shown shortly, but you can see I just have a few blondes and then my hair is dark at the bottom. So I did use the Wella 6A Dark Ash Blonde color of toner, and I got that at Sally's. I used 2 full bottles on my hair, and then I also got the Wella 20 volume developer, and that's more than enough than what you'll need. And this all came out to a total of about like 30 bucks or so. So I'm gonna use my gloves, and I just used supplies that I had, like a brush and everything from home. And then you can see I'm just pouring in the 2 bottles into my little tray. You can also find all of that at Sally's. The tray, the brush, the gloves, anything that you might need to do your hair is all at Sally's. And they're pretty affordable. Nothing's really too expensive there. So I'm pouring in the 2 bottles into the tray, and then the ratio is 2 to 1, so it's going to be 2 bottlefuls, the same bottle that the toner comes in, to the 1 bottle of toner, if that makes sense. So you're going to use 1 bottle of toner, and then you're going to fill up that same bottle after you poured the toner in of developer. So after you've mixed it up and you make sure that it doesn't look watery anymore, it should look more like a gel consistency. And it might take you about like 2 minutes to get it to that point, but you're just going to keep mixing until it looks like a gel. And then once it does look like a gel, you can go ahead and put some gloves on and get to applying it to the pieces that you want to tone. I just went ahead and parted my hair down the middle so that way I can get an even start. And I would start in the front if I were you. I think that it kind of gets the toner set longer, obviously, because it's going to be on longer in the front pieces. So that's where I started. And then also I was going to mention, for me, I was wondering if I should have done it with wet hair or dry hair. But I did some research and it's kind of no difference, so I just went ahead and did it with dry hairs to avoid wasting time and wetting or damping my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep applying the toner to all of my blonde pieces, and I'm just going to speed this up so you guys can kind of see how I did it. But nothing too complicated, just went in with the brush, and I kind of got over it after a while and used just my hands. But just brush it onto the pieces you want to tone, and I'll go ahead and show you how I did that. I just made sure to use all of the product and I parted my hair to cover all of the pieces that I might have missed. And then after that, I'm going to tie my hair up and let my hair tone for about 30 minutes. That's what's instructed on the bottle. And I'll show you how the results came out after. It's been about 30 minutes. I went ahead and took a shower and rinsed everything out, and I used the Nexus shampoo and conditioner. I get that from Costco, and my hair came out really smooth and silky after. It doesn't feel like it got damaged or anything. So this is the final look. You can see it really did tone up my blondes. It looks way better than before. The blondes were looking really yellow and brassy, which is why I was just getting so tired of them. But I hope you guys like this look, this tutorial, this video. I'll be back with more videos. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, and like. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys stay tuned for my next videos. Thank you. Bye.